Do you suffer from campground-itis? Symptoms include answering the same question 47 times a day.
Midnight phone calls about Wi-Fi passwords.
An uncontrollable rage during holiday weekends.
Campground-itis affects millions of park owners nationwide.
But now there's hope. Introducing Insider Perks, the only AI-first treatment for outdoor hospitality professionals.
Insider Perks works by flooding your campground with AI-powered relief. 24/7 chatbots answer questions while you relax.
Watch as AI automatically answers guest emails while you enjoy the view. Sleep well as automated phone agents book reservations at 2 in the morning.
Before Insider Perks, I was answering calls at my daughter's wedding. Now my AI handles everything. Didn't even know I had a daughter.
Side effects may include dramatically increased revenue, guests who read policies, staff who don't quit, and inexplicable urges to accept crypto.
Makes sense. Love it here.
Do not take Insider Perks if you enjoy manually entering reservations at midnight, or if you're allergic to efficiency.
Ask your fractional CMO about Insider Perks today. Because life's too short to answer, "What's the Wi-Fi password?" 10,000 times.
Results may vary. Insider Perks is not responsible for your sudden realization that you could have been automating this stuff years ago. Not approved by the FDA because it's software, not actual medicine. Camp Vantage membership sold separately. Feelings of regret are normal and usually subside within the first billing cycle. Start your automation journey today. Visit insiderperks.com.